If you've ever wondered what it's like living in luxury in Hudson Yards, boy do I have a treat for you. Welcome to this 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom. It's asking $15 million, over 4,621 approximate square feet. Floor to ceiling windows, as you can see, within a very expansive living room with amazing views. I mean, honestly, you'll probably never want to leave this apartment. The living room faces south, in fact, takes up the entire southern facade of the building. You can see all the way down the financial district and even the Statue of Liberty, which is absolutely impressive. One of the bedrooms is currently being used as an office. Obviously, you can make it however you like. Den, office, bedroom, but let you know all the bedrooms have ensuite baths. But how about the one on the primary? I mean, wow, I don't know about you, but I could stay in this bathtub all day. By the way, the sunset's incredible. And of course, there's a shower. Here is the primary bedroom. I mean, it's big enough to have a couch, as you can see. Floor to ceiling windows facing west. These sunsets here are absolutely just breathtaking. And yes, it does have its own wet bar and a closet that's the size of a studio apartment in New York City. So bring your Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and whatever other brands you're into. For all you foodies out there that like to entertain, I have a dining room for you right off the living space facing south with those stellar views. Okay, time for my favorite part, the kitchen. Let's face it, it's because I'm a foodie. How about that opal white marble countertop and backsplash? The kitchen is truly extraordinary. It's equipped with a full suite of Gaggenau appliances, including a coffee maker and wine fridge. The kitchen is equipped with Smallbone of Devizes cabinetry, which is the renowned British company known for its luxurious handcrafted cabinetry and bespoke kitchen designs. But what I'm most curious about is what you think of this kitchen. Do you think it's worth $15 million? Could you see yourself sipping espresso here? I mean, why not, right? In case you were wondering, the residence has over 10 feet, 10 inches ceilings. That's right, it's nearly 11 feet, making this apartment feel even bigger with its floor-to-ceiling windows and tons of light. Here's more of an inside look of the remaining chambers as well as their ensuite bathrooms. Let me know what you think in the comments of the size of the rooms and also these in-suite bathrooms and what you think about their finishes, material, and space. It seems to me that no detail was overlooked, but I'll let you be the judge, so go ahead and place one in the comments section below. You'll also notice this powder room right here is different from the ensuite bathrooms. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of a fan. Be the first to live in this amazing apartment at 35 Hudson Yards, the tallest residential building in Hudson Yards, with over 22,000 square feet of private amenities in addition to the Equinox Hotel.